Hello guys, it is a Sunday morning, so I just want to bring you along as I arrange my room and prepare for church. Okay.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Knows that she wears short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I'm saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She got a body like a cocaine. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a cocaine. She likes to keep the party going.
So after that dance workout, I had to now start arranging my bed. Come along with me. How do you like starting your Sunday? Me, I started mine in an energetic manner. So yesterday I was just from the salon. So here, I was ready. So let me organize my bed, organize the room. Then after I go for prayers. So here I'm just trying to arrange my bed. Normally the same style. I like that. I love, not even liking, yes, I love the mermaid pillow cover. Pillow cover. Yeah, so I'm here arranging my bed, trying to sweep as I listen to some music, trying to hurry to catch up with time such that I'm not late for church. So how do you do it in your place, members? Do you go for the early morning service, or may I go for the 9 o'clock service because it's in English? The first one is in Luganda. Yes, in Luganda, and then the second one is in English. So I go in English so that I can be able to sing. Yeah, sorry, but I can be able to sing. Yes, sing for the Lord and go open the windows for fresh air. Breathe in, breathe out, goosh. And I'm organizing my table. But wait, I need to be rehydrated. Yeah, drink some water and back to arranging. Chop, girlfriend, hurry. No time to waste. Arrange your table. Yeah, that's a reading table. Arrange your table, organize it, because you need to be neat. How can someone come and your table is disorganized? How would you read? How can you read? You can't read, right? Oh God, what am I saying? But then, I'm cleaning. But it was not really very dirty, so I had to just clean. I also have to clean the window such that fresh air is entering the room. Yummy. Oh no, I have to put the tablecloth. So whenever I look at this table and it's organized, it gives me motivation. It keeps me going, guys. It keeps me going. So I don't mind. I'm having literally balance. I had another 90 inside. I do not know what I was doing. I think I was going out, so that's why I put on that big baggy pant. Then I'm arranging my pencil container. Yeah, arrange, because it has to look neat. It had a lot of rubbish, but pluck out, pick out. Oh, I've been looking for this file a longest time. Oh, arrange, pour them and get what I need, because there was a lot of stuff I don't really even use. I don't even use. So arrange. Don't mind me. Let me just be arranging here. Let's go.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold
not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I.
Oh, my table is all clean, and then we have a small business. Yes, we sell Junat paste. So if you want, please order some from me. Go into my inbox, Instagram, and I'll hook you up more water. Keep hydrated. And okay, let's get back to cleaning. And then I need to iron my clothes for church. Then I prepare, go shower, smear some oil, and then we're good to go.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, if I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Yeah, yeah. I want to see you shake it, shake it for daddy. Sing for you like Doremi. Give you love in my copy. Oh baby, yeah. Open name yo. Wakuma suatyo. Enunkwana me po. Me dienti your day, yeah. Open name yo. We am fair pardon. Oh, day, I'm not gonna play with you. Oh, darling, you give me joy, joy, joy. Nobody really like you, my lover. You give me joy, joy. I could kill you with enjoyment, 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 enjoyment. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I could kill you with enjoyment. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, 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 yeah. Murder it's a murder. If you're touching my baby, then it's a murder, murder, oh murder. If you're touching my baby, then it's a murder. Now open up yo, makuma suatio, and unkwana pull me DNT out there. Now open up yo, when you feel bad, oh, I dare, I know go play with you. Oh, darling, you give me joy, 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 yeah. Nobody did like you, my lover. You give me joy, joy. I can kill it, enjoyment, enjoy, 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 oh, oh. Enjoyment, oh, enjoyment, oh, oh, oh.